Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Scout. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Scout. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Scout on a device. You can choose to sign up with Google or other social media accounts. So, to sign up with your email, tap the mail icon at the bottom left corner and tap Sign Up with Email. Now you can fill in your details. Tap the camera icon and tap Add Photo. Allow the permissions and you can select your picture. Crop your picture and tap Select and Continue. Enter your name, select your gender, birth date, and your preference. When done, tap Continue. Next, add your email address and create a password for your account. Confirm your password by typing it again and tap Done. And that's how you sign up for Scout. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.